How can we make millets appetizing? Can we cook them in a way that's familiar to us and yet really tasty? Yes, there's a solution for that. We're all used to uttapams, idlis, chillas, porridges, and all of your millets can be made. Of course, your taste preferences will be different, so some amount of experimentation. Say you like salty, we can make an uttapam by soaking it overnight, fermenting it, and doing exactly what you would do to your suji and your rice. For chillas, you would mix it up with your dal, or you would create a flour out of any of those millets, add a little bit of vegetable and make a chilla out of it. And for your porridges, you can go sweet as a dessert. Use these millets in your porridge with a little bit of raisin, a little bit of gur, and make a payesh out of it. So you see, it's really that simple, and you can have all of your familiar foods. Just match your taste, try out a little experiment, and then you'll find the right answers. Even laddus can be made with millets. So just find out what your taste palette likes, and you will have a yummy millet meal for yourself.